Coming back to example 2, Brian went to the mall to buy a new video game. When he got to the store, he found that there was a sale on. The game was originally $29.99, but it had a sticker which read 10% off original price. So what was the value of the discount? First, as always, let's write the problem out. We're trying to find 10% of $29.99. We've got some words and symbols there. Let's change them to some mathese. Percentage becomes a decimal. Of becomes multiply. Is becomes equal. Excuse me. And we come out with this. 10%, of course, when we move that decimal point 2 places to the left or turn it into a fraction and then a decimal, we end up with 1/10 or 0.1, which we're going to multiply by $29.99 and maybe round a little bit because we're going to get a number that's not exactly money. So we get 2.999 and we don't want that extra 9, so we're going to round to the nearest thousandth, which is the third digit, which does in fact round the other 3 nines up. So we end up with $3. The discount was $3, which means that he would be paying $27 instead of almost $30. Let's move on to example 3. Jose traveled to Florida to visit family. While in Florida, he bought a t-shirt that cost $25. The sales tax in Florida was 6%. How much sales tax did he pay for the shirt? So let's write out this problem. 6% of $25 is what? Well, we need to change our symbols and words into mathese. So our percentage becomes 0.06%, of becomes multiplication, and is becomes an equal sign. Now all we need to do is multiply 0.06 times 25 turns out to be 1.5. So the sales tax was $1.50. Now, sales tax is different from discounts. What was the total amount he paid for the shirt? With a discount, you find the percent and then you subtract. With taxes, you find the amount and then you add. Because the sales tax was $1.50, we need to add the tax to the original amount or cost. So we're going to add 25 plus $25 plus $1.50, and we end up with $26.50 as the total price for the shirt, including the original price and the sales tax. There is an assignment and an exit quiz on lesson 3.4. Please do them. Take your time. If you need more support on finding percent of a number, please check out Khan Academy. Will have a video. You can just Google it, Khan Academy percent of a number. It will take you to an excellent video. Or you can watch these again often as you need. And of course, you could always ask your teacher or your friends for help if you need it.